So I tried to make a grilled cheese. And then it got a little smoky.
Oh my goodness.
And it's right there.
Wait, it's on the back porch? Oh my. So I just got home. I just got here and I walk in the house and all I can smell is burntness. And Pam was like, I made a grilled cheese. And I was like...
But then I made this one that I could eat. But it's
That's just as... Oh,
still a
look at
little
this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at this. You can't even make a grilled cheese.
That's the bad side. This one's a little better. But then when I flipped it, then that happened.
Did you make that in the toaster or like in the...
I was dancing to Despacito.
That wasn't my question. My question was, did you make it in the toaster or on like the stove?
No, on the stove.
And you burnt it that bad? Oh my goodness.
Will you feed me?
No, you fed yourself. Oh man.
I'm gonna starve to death.
All right, it's another What Sold video. It is Tuesday. Yes, it is Tuesday. We have quite a few things to pull here. It's actually a combination of today's sales and yesterday's sales. It's been kind of a crazy beginning of the week here. And we've got a lot going on right now, especially leading up to the wedding. And luckily, we don't have same-day handling time, so it's fine. We can push off shipping a day. That's not a big deal. So we have 2 days worth of orders to pull right now. Pam's starting to work on it right now, and we're gonna just start going through them with you.
That's what I do.
Show you what we've been selling, like we do every week, right? So, first of all, is this game right here, Cards Against Humanity. This we got at a thrift store for $1, I believe. I believe it was $1. And we got, what did we get for this? Like $15?
It's
Give or
right
take?
on the screen.
Oh, right on the screen. Oh, yeah. Here it is. We got... Here we go. We got $15.19 plus shipping for this. $1 buy-in, so not bad at all. Next, we sold this pair of kind of low-end binoculars here. These are something I have that I just found, and I listed on eBay forever ago, and they've just been sitting forever. And we actually got $15 for these, free shipping. They're light, they'll ship first class. So after fees and shipping, I don't know, we'll probably get close to $10 net on these. Next is this shirt here. We found this shirt this past winter at the Goodwill bins. It's Emmanuel Ungaro brand. It's size medium. It's silk, and it's kind of got like a cool graphic on it. It's got like it's like a world map graphic. The whole shirt is world map graphic. And we ended up getting, let me see here, what did we get? We got a good price for this. We probably had like barely anything into it, super light, and we paid for it at the bins. So it was all by weight. So we probably, who knows, 50 cents in it maybe less. And we got $15.99 plus shipping on that. That was a decent one. We had to sit on it for a while, but it did eventually sell. Next, we sold a lot of 10 of these Stanley snap-off blades for... What are these for? Like box cutters or something? I don't know. Yeah, box cutter, right? And we got these, actually, these were an RA deal. We got these at Walmart for, I think it was like, I don't remember, what, 25 cents a piece or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, 25 cents a piece, so what's that? 25 times 10. $2.50 total buy-in. So $2.50 total buy-in on that because they were a clearance deal. They'll ship first class. We ended up getting $7 and some change plus shipping on those. Next, these were a pair of golf shoes. These were some Nike, I don't even know what these are called. Nike, I forget. There's a name for them. But they've got these cool, like adjustable laces. You just twist it and it auto like laces up your shoes, which is kind of neat. These were a retail deal. We got these for $24.99. And we sold them for $63, I believe it was 63 something, right? What was it? 63.99 plus $10 shipping on that. So that was a decent flip. We had these only a couple weeks, I think.
Is this the one that sold?
Yeah. Next was this Spider-Man action figure right here. We got this at Walgreens. Retail find, I believe we had $11 or $10 into this. And it sold for $20 plus shipping. Not a lot of profit here. We've been sitting on these for a while, so I just took a best offer to get rid of it. Probably could have kept it long tail for maybe Q4 and gotten a lot more for it. But we had 2 of them. We already sold 1. And that's the second one that we sold. And I just took the offer to free up shelf space. Next is this pair of Lucky Brand jeans. This was a thrift store find. I believe we got these at Goodwill for probably, I don't know, $3 or $4, I believe. And we ended up getting, I took a best offer on these. We've had these for quite a while. Took a best offer on these for $15 plus shipping. They will go in a padded flat rate. And then we sold one of the 2 bats that I picked up a couple weeks ago at the Girl Scouts sale. This, originally I think I was asking $50 for it, and we were currently running a 20% off sale. And it ended up selling for $40 plus shipping. I'll take that all day, not a big deal. It's a little bit of a lower end DeMarini, and it's not in the greatest shape, so I'll take that. We had $5 into this bat. Howdy, y'all. So it is Wednesday, and we're heading into the eBay room because we need to grab some things that sold and ship them. We have 4 things that have sold today so far. First of them being this little thing right here. This is a Brother little label maker thing. We ended up getting $15.99 plus shipping on this. We picked this up at a thrift store for, I think it was like $2, $3, somewhere around there. And it's got some tape already loaded in it, which is nice. So I made sure to disclose that. So decent sale there. Next we have a retail buy over here. Our shoes. We got some Nike sandals, or flip-flops, whatever you want to call them. Brand new in the box. I'm not going to pull them out to show you, but you can see them there on the screen. We bought these for, oh man, I can't remember. I think they were 20. But we're running a sale, and they ended up selling for $35 plus shipping, so not a lot of profit here, but that's okay. Next, we sold a video game. This was a huge sale, guys. Major sale. Ps3 game here. New sealed. I listed it last night. I listed it very low. I listed it at $199 plus shipping, and it sold. It sold like within a couple hours. I was surprised because this is not a very valuable game. So I just priced it low to try to get it out. And yeah, $199 plus shipping. And then finally, not a high dollar day, everybody. Finally is another little video game here. This is a Harry Potter Nintendo DS cartridge. It's Harry Potter. Let me see if I can read what it is. And the Goblet of Fire or something like that. We got $3.03 plus shipping on this one. We got this at a yard sale, a huge haul. Found it at the bottom of a box, listed it, and it sold. So that is going out. This will cost probably $2 to ship, maybe. So very, very cheap. $2 and not $2, but $2 and probably what, 72 cents was the lowest. I can't remember. Anyway, that is that. All right, while I was here shipping, another video game sold. It is a PS3 game, and it is right here. It's Bioshock. Bioshock 2. You know, I can't even remember what we got for it. $3 or $4 plus shipping. Anyway, that is going out. Another video game going out. Love getting rid of the video games. Alrighty, everybody. Thank you for watching this week's video of what sold. We didn't show you everything that sold this week, but we showed you probably 90% of it. If you're really curious, our eBay store link is below, so go check it out. You can see what sold that we didn't mention. I think I mentioned most stuff, but there's a few things that I didn't mention. But Pam is on the floor with the dog, sleeping. She's going night-nights. Oh, boy. But anyway, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.